Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another Cup of Joe investing video. Today I just want to make a few announcements and comments on the market. So the S&P decided to not do anything, stay at 0%, went up, went down. Also Netflix is on a tear, 12% this week alone. Although it still hasn't reached its July high of $418. As well as the Federal Reserve says that they will continue to raise interest rates, even though President Trump is telling them that they should stop raising interest rates because he wants the economy to continue to grow at a strong rate. I think that they're not going to listen to him because Trump is the president, not the king of America. Elon Musk back in the news, though this time he's buying $20 million worth of Tesla stock. Clearly he believes in his own company, his own vision. Should you? That's the question. Also, today is the first legal day of recreational marijuana in Canada. Big day for all the pot stocks too, obviously. No reports right now because the first day, we still don't know how much they're going to make. But Canopy Growth Company down 5% today. And the MJ ETF, which is comprised of multiple pot stocks, is down 3%. Also, Netflix reported earnings. They really beat the earnings quite handsomely with EPS of 89 cents compared to 68 cents, which was what the analysts were looking for. They added new subscribers last quarter to the amount of 7 million. I want you to realize that out of those 7 million, only 1 million was domestic here in the US, and the other 5.8 million was international. Netflix, if you don't know, is more of an international company now. They're really reaching out to all cultures, showing them that they can make original content just for their country. Look at the shows on Netflix, and a lot of them are international. Also, I want you to realize that they have to execute on original TV content on their channel, especially now with Disney getting in the game, with Xfinity getting in the game, Apple. Every other entertainment company is going to start providing their own video on demand streaming service. If Netflix wants to remain the king of streaming, which I believe it can, it needs to execute and keep producing great shows such as Stranger Times, such as Black Mirror, such as The Ozark. Great shows that once all of these other entertainment companies, by the way, can go up to Netflix and say, hey, Disney movies, yeah, we're going to start our own Disney stream, so Netflix, give us all of that licensing back. They're going to really need to amp up their content creation. I also want you to realize that they have a forward PE right now of 83. Now, if they had a very profitable company, then that would be maybe reasonable. But they have revenue of $4 billion, which is great. However, net income of $384 million. And that is a problem with Hollywood and Hollywood businesses. A lot of them, you either execute and become the king, or you don't execute and you die off because you have so much debt and so little in the bottom line to work with that over time you end up dying due to the competition. If you want to invest in Netflix, I would say that now is a good time. I wouldn't call it a bad investment. I wouldn't call it a investment that I would go overweight into that position just because of the valuation and because they only made a net income of $384 million. How do you start with $4 billion and end up with $384 million? Simple. A lot of content creation costs a lot of money. Now, if you want to invest in Netflix, buy here because the high of 418 in July, I believe that the hype will continue to grow unless we have another correction and or a recession in the upcoming future. That is it for the news of today, for the news of the market. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching and have a great day.